What's this? Come on. Just tell me what is it? Come on. Well, what's this? The elephant. Tila. Rayan, what is this? Come on. Rayan. Hello. Rayan. Rayan, what's this? What's this? That's a key card. Which? What's the on the key? Put the key on the switch. Put the switch. Put this in the switch. Okay? Wait. Put the key in the switch, please. What is this? That's a car control? No, car. Get it? Yes. That's the switch of cleaning window and the switch of watering the front of window. No? Come on. Where? What is? Oh, that's the place that AC is coming from. Get it, Rayan? Oh, oxygen. Yes. Oh, yes. What is? That's a thing that you can put song. You can call people like a phone. That's like a phone. What is? Rayan. Now let's change our place to. I will show you the another things, and you can see in my place, and I can see. Let's. Okay, India. My pistol. Okay, Ryan, listen to me. This is a key, okay? A key, car key, and this is Max call that to make more colder, and this is things that you can see. You can do call people and do and put a song like a YouTube. But this is not you. It do not have YouTube, but it is like a phone. Okay. And this is the oil trick that when you stop, you should take it out. Yes. What's this? Okay. What's this? Do you know? No. Ryan, this is the horn, okay? Right. Mama, this is the horn, okay? Okay. And what else do you want to learn about colors? What? Rayan, do you know what's this? Do you know what's this, or I tell you? Should I tell you this? Should I tell you? Tell you what is this? No. This will show that speed. Okay, from this is the horn. I hope you learn about car, but not drive car, because you'll crash. And if you're 18 years old or bigger than 18, it's okay. If you're smaller than 18 years old, you should not. Bye bye. Bye bye.